Hi guys, all of you good evening and welcome back to Jenkins third class. Guys, in last two classes we have configured Jenkins on Linux machine with two methods. By using two methods we have configured Jenkins. Now, so we are entering into the Jenkins. Guys, in today's class, in between, server is not running continuously. From previous class to till this time, server is not running continuously. Which means we shut down the server. We did that task. I mean that we did shut down the server. Now we have restarted the mission. Restarted the mission. Now, see guys, my server is not running. I mean that server is running. My Jenkins server is not running. Yes, IP space A. See guys. So I'm connecting to Superputty. Just wait. And launch the browser. Now, right, take the IP address. Yes, this is the IP address. Colon 8080. Okay. Which server? Not running. What is the reason? Yes. Okay, guys. See, guys, the reason. Actually, I didn't stop this server. Sorry, I forgot that. I didn't stop this one. Yes, I paused this server. From this state, I have continued the server. It's mean server didn't stop and we paused the server. So that reason it's a continuing. It's in running state. So now what I'm doing that? I'm restarting this server. Yes. Yes, something. Okay. Okay, we bother this now. So now what I'm doing that? Yes, I'm going to restart. Just I'm continuing with the resume. Now I'm going to stopping. Yes, not stopping. Just wait. We will restart the mission. Yes, restart the guest. Now you can see guys. The reason for showing this one. After configuring Jenkins on Tomcat method, if you haven't configured auto start the service. So what will happen? So here we are having two things. One, we need to stop the IP tables. I mean the firewalls we need to stop, and you need to start the Tomcat service. When you reboot the machine, while shutting down, all services also will shut down. But when you restart the server after coming into this state, whatever we did that firewalls stop and Tomcat service. These two in shutdown mode. These two are in shutdown mode. I mean that those services are not running. If you want to see that, just come here. Now, restart session. Yes. Now see guys. Now come here. Just refresh here. Just wait. It's refreshing. 100% service will down. Already it's in down state. It's already in down state. Just wait. See guys. Because the Tomcat service not running. Whenever you restart the servers, whenever you are doing practice or in the real time also, if the service not configured auto start. So what you have to do? You need to start the service again. So here we need to start Tomcat /opt Tomcat bin startup.sh. Now, still we are having one more. We need to be stopped the firewalls also. Now you can check here. Just refresh. Of course, it's already in refresh state. If you're trying to refresh the page, see here. Just click on that reload. See guys. We will not get because we need to be stop the firewalls. Until that we can't. Just wait. Already we have started Tomcat service. Now systemctl stop firewall D. Now you can see. Just now click on that refresh. See guys. So in your case, if you are trying to practice on Tomcat method, you have to do these two steps. You have to do these two steps. Otherwise, your Tomcat will not run that. Okay guys. Now, or else after starting the Tomcat service, if you don't want to enter into this, if you don't want to enter into this page, just copy this one and come here. Just open one new tab. Just apply here without entering into Tomcat. Just apply that Jenkins here. Directly you will move to Jenkins page location. See guys. Now the username. See guys, successfully we logged in. But still, if you observe this one, see, still we are in this page. See, if you refresh this one, see like this. Okay, you need not to click on this one. Yes, if you click on this one, now the page moves into Jenkins location. See. Okay guys, keep in mind, this is the process to start or restart the Jenkins. Okay guys, and one more. Here we are having one more server now. Yes, it's a, by this mission we have configured yum install Jenkins. Yum install Jenkins. The first method. So now we are running this server on paused state to running state. We are calling the server from paused state to running state. This server also still running. It didn't stop, but it's paused. Now we are pulling into running state. So once you restart the server, here also we need to start the service. Here also we need to start the service because we didn't apply the command enable command. Just wait, I'll show you that. Next, guys, coming to Jenkins concept, after configuring Jenkins, I think we have configured one job and ran that job. We got that success. Okay, we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins location. Am I correct? Now, Jenkins providing n number of services. We can do n number of tasks by using Jenkins. Yes. Yes, log in here. Okay. System CTL status Jenkins. You can see here is running or not. Spelling mistake. System CTL status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is running. Now what I am doing that? Yes, init space 0. Init space 0 is a command. The command usable to restart the server. Just wait. Just wait. Server didn't start. Had not started, so the reason we are getting that issue. Still, it's under process. Loading the page. What happened? Guys, which command we have used? Init 0. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. We have applied that init 0. But so my command is init 6. Okay, I did mistake. So we are starting here. Sorry guys. My explanation is different, but the practical command is different. Init 0 for shut down the server. But init 6 is for reboot. Now server is ready. Just restart again. Now you can apply the same command, systemctl status Jenkins. Because we didn't enable the auto start service. I'll show you that. Yes. Again, you can see that, guys. See, system in Jenkins is in dead mode, inactive state. Okay, now what I'm doing that systemctl enable Jenkins. This command from next reboot. From next reboot, this command will run automatically. What we are doing that, guys, we are saying to system, this enable command, what it will do that, yes, it will note the point, or it will give the instruction to system. The system, what it will do that, whenever it will reboot, while rebooting, this service also automatically it will start by system. From next reboot, automatically Jenkins will start. You need not to start like this. But this command for next reboot, not for this time. This command for next reboot, not for this time. If you observe this one, still see, but it's enabled. It's enabled. See, you can see it, but present it's disabled. Okay, guys. Now, if you reboot the mission, Jenkins service will run automatically. If you don't want to time waste, just what we have to do, systemctl start Jenkins. Now we can apply. It will take some time.
Still, the action status was in inactive state, no, previously.
Yes. Active state also inactive. Now we are going to activating this service. But after enabling, if you reboot the server, automatically system will take care about it. System will start itself. Need not apply this command. But for avoiding time waste, so manually we are applying this command. Now you can now see this one. Okay. See here we enable the service enabled from next reboot. For next reboot, automatically Jenkins service will start. But not like the Tomcat. But not like that this Tomcat server. Whatever we are, this is the Tomcat method and this is the M install method. Now, if you want to restart this service automatically, yes, we need to write one script, a shell script, and we need to upload into one init.d file location. Then automatically the Tomcat shell script will run on next reboot. Automatically Tomcat service also will start by that script. Okay, we'll see that later on, that how we can write that shell script and how we can place it. Okay, so we'll see that test case. Okay, guys, present. Okay, now we are in Tomcat server. Okay, guys, this is my Tomcat server. Okay, now after configuring Jenkins, yes, this is our first job. This is our first job. What next? What next, guys? Jenkins providing n number of services. Out of those services, yes, one. Okay. Schedule the jobs. Scheduling jobs. Okay, guys. Next, 2. Master slave. User management. Role management. Next, backups and integration of the tools, and pipeline concepts. So we are doing pipeline concepts. Okay, and integration of the tools mean, yes, Java, Tomcat, Maven, like that we are going to integrating, and integration with Sonar Q, integration with Nexus. Next, integration with Maven. Next, integration with Ansible, integration with Docker, integration with Kubernetes, and so on. So many we are having. Okay, and we can work with the logs. We are working with the logs. Next, email notification. Okay, and so on, guys. We'll see that later on. So we are having some more. We'll discuss later on, guys. Okay. Now, how we can schedule? One minute, guys. Okay, guys. Yes, we are going to scheduling the jobs. One, periodic jobs, periodic build. Next, whole SCM jobs, and webhooks. By configuring, we can okay, guys, and manual build and pipeline builds. We can schedule by pipelines also, but we should have that. Okay, some other options. Yes, see, guys. Periodic jobs. Now we are concentrating on periodic jobs, periodic build. Guys, in that word only we are having that. Periodic mean periodically. See, guys. So periodically mean how the clock will work.
Regularly as per procedurally. Yes.
Yes. So as per clock type. For example, if you are going to scheduling that alarm in your laptop or in your mobile, what it will do that? If you schedule the job or if you schedule the alarm, so for exactly that time, that alarm will run. Yes or no, guys? Like that. Just imagine it. If you are going to scheduling the job or scheduling the alarm for every day 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Okay. Yes, what it will do that? For on every day, and every day it will run exact that time. It don't want that. Yes, you are in an active mode or inactive mode, or you are in sleeping or if you are not sleeping. That device won't take that consideration. So whatever we have scheduled, yes, as per that, yes, it will do the task. Here also, we are doing that task. So if we want to build the jobs on periodically in Jenkins, yes, we can set up, we can configure it. Okay. Now, in this job, we are having yes, that's calling as a scheduling jobs by this periodic. Okay. Yes, interview person. How you can schedule the job? What is the schedule syntax? What is the scheduling syntax. How we can schedule that? What is the format of syntax? They will ask the question, interview question. Okay, guys. Yes. If we want to schedule, see guys. Now I'm going to scheduling every minute, every hour, every minute, every hour. The first one, leave this one, guys. The second two, you can take that. Yes, every minute, every hour, every day of the week, or every day of the month. Next, every month, every week of the day. You got it now? It's me. Every minute, every hour, every day of the month, every month, every week of the day. Okay, guys. This is the process. If we take these 5, yes, but the schedule should be have the space in between 2 stars. Don't forget about this one. Okay, now we are going to schedule in job. So, with the help of this one, if you want to schedule for every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 1 day, like this, we can schedule. We can schedule like this. Okay, guys. Yes, now we are going to scheduling this job. Okay, for every day, we are going to scheduling this. When every minute, every hour, every day, yes, click on this job. Or else, if you want to create one new job, yes, click on this one. Click on this new item. Yes, build to job number. You can get number 2. Sorry. Just click on that freestyle project. Click on that OK button. Just wait. Yes, now click on that source code. Yes, select your repository. Just wait, guys. Not happened. Yes, click on that sign in. Yes, apply this one. Oh God. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys. Successfully we logged in into GitHub. Okay, guys. Now what we are doing that? So we are going to configuring new job. Yes, click on that Git and take the repository. Yes. Now take this URL. Now move to GitHub. Sorry, Jenkins. Yes, paste here. Just leave the credentials, guys. We are using public repository now. So that reason you need not apply the credentials. Just we can continue without credentials. Now, yesterday what we did, just we changed the branch name. Yes, we are in main branch. Okay, guys. So the code is in main branch. We are having only one branch. This name is main branch, default branch. Now, yesterday we did that's it only. Just we ran that job. Save and we ran that job. Now today what we are doing that we are going to schedule in the job. Yes, build triggers. Build triggers. Yes, guys. Click on that build periodically. Now you can schedule this one. Yes, every minute, every hour, every day. Sorry, we didn't give space. Every minute, every hour, every day of the month, sorry, every month and every week of the month. Okay, guys. Now, see, every minute. Of course, in real time, we are not going to configuring like this, but for test cases, we are going to run it. Okay, yes, save this one. So if you put like that every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, or every 5 minutes like that, yes, it will consume lot of time. So we need to wait for until that build. Okay. So unnecessarily, we are wasting time. That I'll tell that. Okay, I'll tell you, I'll give that, okay, command to configure for every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes like that. Yes, you can do like that. Just in your practice time, you can do that. You can test that. Yes, is it building for every 5 minutes or not? After configuring for every 5 minutes like that. So guys, just wait. We have configured for every minute now. So still, okay, yet not started. Job build yet not started. Just wait for, see guys, automatically build started. Build success. Console output. Now you can see, come into the location. Guys, interview question. What is your home Jenkins home directory? What is your Jenkins home path or home directory? Interview question. Guys, keep in mind, if you are going to configuring Jenkins by using Tomcat method, yes, in the Jenkins location only you can see that. You can see in the Jenkins location only. Yes, be in the dashboard. Now click on that manage Jenkins. If you want to see that. Yes, now click on that system. Click on that system. Just wait. It will take some time. Okay, guys. Interview question. It's very important. What is your Jenkins home path? This is the path. If you are going to executing Jenkins or if you are going to set up in Tomcat, yes, you will get this path. Now, if you come here, system CTL status Jenkins. Now, IP space A, take this one and system CTL stop firewall D. Now take this IP. Yes, come here. Yes, paste here. Directly apply that to 8080. Okay, guys. Yes, username. Same one I have used it for all missions. Yes, now click on that sign in. What happened? See guys, successfully we logged in. Now see, this method m install Jenkins. This server 197 m install Jenkins. But this server 211 on Tomcat method. You can see the difference. You can see guys here. /root.jenkins. Now you can come here. Just click on that manage Jenkins. Yes, click on that system. Just wait. This page will take some time to open. See guys, where lib Jenkins. Guys, write down this one. This is very important. The interview question, because every job output stores in this location only. Every job output stores in this location. Now, so what we are doing that, we are moving to dashboard. Now I'm going to creating a job. Yes, one freestyle project. Click on that OK button. Now take the code, same code. Yes. Source code management. Select this one. Yes, paste the URL. Now change the branch name. See guys. Main. And if you want to schedule that one, you can schedule. Of course, the job running here. We'll see that. Already the job going almost, you can see guys. See, job 2. And you can see how many jobs to see. Automatically, we have configured for every minute. For every minute, the job will run. See, almost 6 minutes over. 6 job also over. Continuously until when you stop that schedule, until this job will run. But the Jenkins server should be in power on. Jenkins server should be powered on. Otherwise, the job won't run. Once you start this Jenkins, automatically the job will schedule. Automatically itself it will run that. You need not to click on that build now. Okay guys. See, I didn't click on that build now. But we have configured a schedule job now, so that reason it's building itself automatically. That's a scheduling job. And come here. Now just see, now we are going to clicking manually build now. Until that it won't build that. Because we didn't configure scheduling job. Now click on this one. See guys, jobs now started. If you want to see console output, you can see success. But the location, see where it's located, this job. See, inside this where lib Jenkins workspace. Okay, the job. Now come here. See, if you move to cd/root.jenkins, see, I'm applying that tab. See, even if you try to see that ll space -a/root, see guys, that dot Jenkins directory not available because we have configured on different method. So that reason the directory is not available. If you come here, you can see that ll space -a/root. You can see guys, Jenkins. It's the Tomcat method. If anyone asks the question, or you need to be expected this question also guys. It's very important. It's very important. Now, okay. You can see here, yes, come here, where we can see cd space, where lib Jenkins and workspace. See guys, 1. The job name is 1. The job name is 1, you can see. And move to the job name, cd space 1, and hit the enter. You can see guys, whatever we are having source code in the remote repository, that code we got here. Okay guys, by using this job. But if you come here, still this job is running. See guys, it's a scheduling build, periodical build. Now coming to about this job advantage and disadvantage. Of course, we have configured for every minute. For suppose if you are going to configuring for every 5 hours or every 4 hours, if you are going to configuring job, what it will do that? So it will take the gap build it to build 4 hours. Right now, what is the time now? It's 7 o'clock right now. If you want to build this job at 11 o'clock, yes, we can configure for every 4 hours one. Yes, we can configure. If you want to build the job every day once, If you want to build the job for every day, one build. Yes, we can configure. If you want to build at every day at night at 12 o'clock, we can. But with this job, the disadvantage, just imagine it, guys. Just imagine it. We are working in one team. We are working in one team. Yes, I am the DevOps engineer, or else I am the build engineer. You are the programmer, and another person deployment engineer, and another person database engineer, or something like that. Now, so what we are doing that? So we are going to working day to day. Every day we are working with different changes. So last day and yesterday also we are having some changes, and before day also we are having some changes, and today also we are going to changing some changes in the project. But we have configured job for every day night 12 o'clock. We have configured this scheduling. Today we are having changes, no problem. It will pull the code and change the changes, and it will run the job. I mean that it will build and it will deploy into the test or pre-production or production environment. But okay, there is no problem here for today. Tomorrow, we don't have any kind of changes. Tomorrow, we don't have any kind of changes. There is no any schedule. Okay, guys, we don't have any kind of task to change the code. Okay, for tomorrow. But the job is still running, still it's configured, still in the same schedule. If you are not going to disturbing the Jenkins server or to this job, guess what it will do that? Yes, it will build continuously like that. Tomorrow at night at 12 o'clock, it will build the job. It will build automatically itself, it will build. But there is no any kind of changes in the code. There is no any changes in the code. Okay, fine. Okay, tomorrow early morning, we saw that, yes, its build happened. Okay, it was built. And next day also, for tomorrow also we are not having changes. So what it will do that? Yes, same again it should build that. It will overwrite. It will overwrite again and again. If we are having changes, if you are not having changes, that don't want it. But as per schedule time, it will build the job. This is one disadvantage with this periodical build. See, it's doing that almost 13 jobs, 13 builds over. But from beginning, from job 1 to job 13, we don't have any kind of changes. It's again and it's overwriting. By doing that like this, what it will do that is the job will consume network, and job will consume disk space, and job will consume processor, and job will consume RAM. It will consume all resources, whatever we have given that resources to the job, it will consume unnecessarily. It will consume. That's not a mistake. That's not the mistake of Jenkins. So based on our requirement, we have configured. But after some time, after few days, we don't have that scheduled time. We are not working on that scheduled time. What will happen? Okay, that's not mistake to Jenkins. As per schedule, it's built that. But what is the disadvantage? The disadvantage is it will consume all resources. Again and again, it will overwrite. So whenever you remove the schedule, yes, it won't build that. Yes, now come to build triggers. Yes, remove this one and save this one. Yes, now you can see, guys. Now you can see it won't build that. Guys, you are seeing now. So build it. The process schedule time stop. Okay. The last build was at 7:08. Now time is 7:09. Almost 1 minute over. 2 minutes over. See guys. So this is the advantage and the disadvantage of periodical build. Periodical build. And one more, coalescing. Coalescing. Of course, this is also same weekend. Same like this weekend. Okay, guys. For example, if you are going to apply that for every 5 minutes. Okay, guys. Yes, you can apply that 5, or else you can by 5, and the same one. Yes, for 5 minutes. For every 5 minutes once it will build that. In every day. Sorry, in every hour. In every hour. Every day. Every month. Every week of the day. It will be like that. Okay. Same task you can. If you configure like this, so we can. Okay. But it will take time 5 minutes for to build. To build a gap. The time gap is 5 minutes. If you want to configure, yes, you can configure like this. Okay. But what is the difference between, yes, you can configure every minute also. Same every minute, every hour, every day of the month, every month, every week of the. See guys, same one. But there is no difference. There is no difference between scheduling job, periodical build schedule, and coalescing schedule. The schedule format is same, but there is a lot of difference between periodical build and this coalescing build. Okay, guys. Now, by this one, what is the advantage? What is the advantage with by this one? Yes, by this one, yes, there is one advantage. There is one advantage. See guys, I'll show you practically. Yes, come here. The same job. We are going to configuring. Yes, come here. Click on that build triggers. Choose that coalescing. Initially, yes, if you want to see guys, if you want to see the syntaxes, you can see here. Okay, cron scheduling. It's calling as a cron schedule. Provides a cron like features to periodically execute this project. Okay, cron replacement. Same. We can hook up SCM, changes notifications to Jenkins. If you want to get the source code management changes, yes, we can. But now we are using coalescing. What it will do, the same job every minute, every hour, every day, every month, every week of the day. Save this one. Just see. Just wait. Now the time is 7:14. See guys, Nothing happened. Almost 1 hour over now. Sorry, 1 minute over. Just wait. Just wait. Now, almost 1 minute over. There is no build. There is no build. Did you know about this one? See, we have configured. You can wait for 1 more minute also. Last build at 7, 8. Now almost, of course, we are having some gap. I think we have configured at 7:13. Almost 2 minutes over. Just wait. We'll see that for 1 more minute. The cron schedule is for every 1 minute. But no result on this schedule. I'll tell that reason. Yes, guys. Now, what it will do that? Now, I'm giving some explanation on this one. See, guys. This is Jenkins server. And this is GitHub server. GitHub server. So what it will do, guys? Yes, it will do for every minute. Yes, the job will Jenkins will trigger the job for every 1 minute. For every 1 minute. For every minute, Jenkins will trigger the job or build for every 1 minute. But we saw that almost 3 minutes over, 4 minutes over, no changes. The reason is whenever you configure the job by using full SCM, in the first minute, it will move to Jenkins this location, and whatever the code is there, it will pull from there. We got the first build by using full SCM. On first minute, if you have configured for every minute, what it will do that? Yes, in the first minute, it will get the code, whatever the code is there in the Jenkins. Okay, guys. Next time, for every minute, no? Yes, on second minute, again, Jenkins will trigger the job. Second minute. And the cursor or what it will do that? Yes, inside that GitHub repository, on second build trigger. Yes, what it will do that? The request goes to GitHub server, and the second time, if the code is located, if the code is changed, if the code having changes, okay, we have configured this repository. If the repository having changes in between first build to second build or second trigger, in between first trigger and second trigger, if the repository having changes, then it will get the code. Second time it will get. If the repository not having changes, the second build will not happen. Second build will not happen. It means whenever the programmers are, whenever the GitHub repository will get the changes, if the changes will happen between 1 minute to another minute, previous build to present request, yes, then only if the changes happen in the remote repository, then only Jenkins will get the new changes from remote to local. If the changes are there in the remote repository, those changes will get this full SCM. Just poll SCM. Of course, for every minute it will check that. And the poll SCM also, the poll SCM cron schedule, yes, it will request to GitHub for every 1 minute. If you have any new changes, please give me. For every minute, yes, please give me new changes. What it will say that, Jenkins, GitHub will say that I don't have any kind of changes. Okay, fine, leave. I will go back with the empty hands. The job will request to GitHub. Immediately GitHub will respond, and the changes are not changes. Yes, immediately GitHub will tell to schedule. Yes, I have changes. Take these changes. The job will take and place into the local Jenkins server. If the GitHub not having changes, what it will tell them, sorry, I don't have any kind of changes. Okay, no problem. I will go back with empty hands. It will come back and it won't build that. It won't build that. If the new changes are there, if the new changes are finding in the GitHub, yes, it will take and start the run process. Otherwise, it won't build. It won't build. Now we will see the task. Now see guys, almost. So we started at 7:13. We have configured this poll SCM at 7:13. Almost now how many minutes? 8 minutes over. But there is no changes in the builds. Okay. Now what we are doing there, guys? We are going to doing some changes in the remote repository. We are doing some changes in the remote repository. Yes. Already we are having that repository in the local. This is the project. Yes, this one. So what we are doing, guys? So we are going to doing some changes. After file or else see this. This is Sublime. It's already in the Sublime. So I'm not trying to write that garbage, guys. So it means that if we are going to creating value, yes, the port number is I'm going to changing that port number 8090 colon 8090. Just escape, save these changes. Yes, save and close this one and open your git bash here. See, we modified that. You can see the modified. Now apply that git status. See guys, file modified. Now what we are doing that? What is the command, guys? What is the command to commit directly from working directory to committing area? I need quick response.
Git commit.
Git space commit space.
Git commit space -am. Okay. Yes. Compose
message.
YML file version 1.1. Sorry. 1.1. 1.0 previous one. 1.1 is the latest one. Now git push origin main. You can see guys. Now it's okay now. Now just come to just wait guys. Successfully we sent to remote repository. See, now just wait for before pushing only maybe the job request gone to GitHub, but there is no updates now, so that reason it's not building that. It didn't build it. Just wait. See guys, build process started. The build happened now. At what time? 7:25. At 7:25, build was happened. Now wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You can see guys, it won't build. It won't build. Of course, in backend, this Jenkins job will trigger the build. Immediately it is sent to request to GitHub. If the GitHub having new changes, yes, the GitHub will give to that scheduled job and bring that code and the build process start again. Until that it won't build. Our next change, when you modify the code or whenever you will do the changes, after doing that, if you push to remote repository, if the job configured on folder CM, then it will build immediately based on your scheduled time. If you have configured for every 1 minute, if you have configured for every 5 minutes, or if you have configured for every 1 hour, or 5 hours, or 10 hours, or every day once, or weekly once, or monthly once, I don't know that exact. This is one example for to build the job by periodically and by policy. These schedules are calling cron schedules, cron jobs, cron scheduling. The same concept we are having in Linux also, scheduling concept. Okay, guys. Almost 1 minute over, 2 minutes over. See guys, 2 minutes over. So last build was at 7:25. Now 7:27. Yes, you can wait for 1 more minute also. Okay guys, see, 3 minutes over. If you won't build that, if you want to see that the changes, now come here. Yes, VAM readme.md. Yes. Yes, see guys, with the status almost 4 minutes over. You can see 4 minutes over. Now yes, git push origin main. Now you can see guys, just wait for 1 minute. So we have configured we modify. Yes, see, the process started. So now the request gone to the GitHub. It's finding the changes. See, job started. Success. Now you can see the new changes in the local machine. You can see the changes. Yes. What is the file name? Where we modified this one? Yes, readme.md. Cat it. Readme.md. See guys, what happened? Which server? I think here. cd classroom dot Jenkins ll cd workspace ll cd. Which job, guys? Where we are doing job number 2. Okay. I think here also. Yes, job number 2. cd. Now cat readme.md. See guys, we got the change like this. Okay, this is the difference between periodical build and whole SCM build. Okay guys, if you want to build if you want to schedule the job for every night at 12 o'clock, yes, now you can come here. Yes, trigger build and full SCM. Yes, first minute, first hour, first minute, first hour in every month. Sorry. Okay, in every month, in every day, and every month, every week after day. Okay. First hour, first minute. So what is the first hour? Night at 12 o'clock. In the night at 12 o'clock, first minute. Okay. Like this we can configure. If you run the server continuously after night at 12 o'clock, yes, the job will run. Until that it won't run. Until that it won't run. That we have configured full SCM. Yes, in between, from this job configuration, this schedule configuration, until that build schedule time. If in between, if you are having changes, if the remote repository will get changes, it will run this job. Otherwise, Jenkins won't run this job. It will check with the GitHub repository. If the GitHub repository having changes, we can see this build run. Otherwise, it won't build. So if you are going to configure this periodical build, it won't take that. It won't take this. Don't consider this. If the changes are there or not. If the changes are there or not, yes, it will run the job. It will override. Okay, guys. It will trigger the job and it will write the one note on the job and it will go to GitHub. Yes, if the changes are there or not. If the changes are there or not, yes, it will come back. It will execute the job. This is the difference between full SCM and periodical build. Okay, guys. This is the process of full SCM and periodical build. Okay, guys. Now, just I'm saving that, but we won't put this server in a running state now until that. Okay, so these are the concepts: periodical build and coming to webhooks. Guys, this is a little bit advanced. We will discuss after few more classes. Okay, guys. And pipeline concept also we will discuss. That is also a little bit advanced. If it is possible tomorrow, we will discuss it. Just what we will do just pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins by using pipeline. Okay, guys. I will show you that how to pull the code from GitHub to Jenkins by using pipeline. tomorrow we'll see the case. Okay. So next in today's class, any doubt, guys?